We've had two women with very big news in the last 24 hours. Taylor Swift is getting married and Lisa Cook is getting fired by the president from the Federal Reserve. You'll perhaps be glad to know that I'm only going to be talking about Lisa Cook. It's clear in the rules of the Fed that you can be fired for cause. However, that's never happened before. There's no real precedent as to what cause might be. The allegations against Cook are serious, that she indulged in a form of mortgage fraud, a very widespread form of mortgage fraud, representing that more than one different house was her primary residence. Whether that's actually cause is another matter altogether. It's not like she was insider trading. She wasn't even at the Fed when this happened. We can assume, as this is being legally contested, that it's going to get litigated to the full extent of the law, possibly even the Supreme Court. In the shorter term, why does this matter? Well, the great concern is about Fed independence. If Lisa Cook is replaced, that will mean 4 of the 7 governors of the Fed have been appointed by Trump at a point when he is making very noisy arguments for a very different monetary policy, which very few people would agree with. He seems to seriously believe that the Fed funds rate should be as low as 1%. It's almost impossible to find anybody on Wall Street who would agree with that. The economy is far too strong to warrant taking rates down that low. Any sign that you're compromising the independence of the central bank can be dangerous for the currency. But then if you look at the markets, this isn't regarded as a major event. I think that's because the market assumes that rates will be coming down a bit in the near term, and that whoever Donald Trump installs, they're not going to take rates as far down as 1%. In the short term, the market believes that this isn't such a big issue. That still leaves the long term, but as Maynard Keynes said, in the long run, we are all dead.